Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're gonna have a look at the Lenovo Tab P11. So this product is not available in South Africa as yet, although you can check out the pricing overseas. I don't want to mention anything yet about the pricing in South Africa because I don't know what it's gonna cost. But this over here is a really good tablet. So far I've been using it for about a week and a half and I absolutely really like it. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then have a look at what's inside. Cool. If this is your first time watching, my name is Fakier and welcome to my channel. 7 inches 2K display, quad speakers, octa-core processor. It's Qualcomm Snapdragon, as I mentioned, 662. There you can see it's Qualcomm 662, and yeah, this is an 11-inch tablet and it's got Dolby Digital sound, so Dolby Atmos sound, sorry, and Android 10, and it comes with Android 10 and a 7700 milliamp hour battery, so that's gonna last you super long. Anyway, let's have a look at what's inside the box. Your quick start guide, and I think so this is a review unit. Okay, there. And so I never saw the ejection pin, but they do give an ejection pin in there. Got a USB Type-C cable, which is a pleasure. Of course, USB Type-C is the way forward, and then I think it's a 20-watt charger. Okay, so looking at the tablet itself, I'm going to remove the plastic sleeve. It's a matte sleeve, and I can tell you that I absolutely love the quality of this tablet. So over here you've got an 8 megapixel camera, as you can see there quite close up, and a 13 megapixel rear camera. So okay, now let's look at the design. So firstly, like I mentioned to you, you've got your 2K display, 11 inches, and then over here is your pogo pins at the bottom of the tablet if you are holding it landscape. And overall you can see that the edges are quite metal. It's a really nice finish. You've got your 2 speakers here, dual speakers on the one side and dual speakers on the other side, and over here you also have your USB Type-C, and then you also have your power button, and then next to your power button also in the corner is your volume up and down. Yeah, and then that's the back of the tablet, and it shows you your Dolby sound. And I can tell you that this is a really premium. This is slate gray or slate black, I think, and it comes in a slate gray, which looks quite nice. And overall this is like a kind of metal finish. You can see it's not glossy, but it does have a little bit of a shimmer, and this is a matte panel here, and this matte or rubberized panel is quite cool. The entire tablet is actually metal, so earlier I stuck it to the fridge and it also stuck to the bread bin as well. So yeah, I know you might be thinking, why am I sticking things around in the kitchen, but you know, you can always well, this is just a code I just came up with. So yeah, why I'm sticking things in the kitchen is because you could maybe like use it on your fridge, which would be kind of fun. Now looking at the OS, this is Lenovo's OS, but it's quite close to stock Android, which is quite fun for me. I absolutely love that, and my wife's been using the tablet all the time, quite often, more than me, and what she's been using it for is like watching series. Because of the 11-inch display being 2K, it can record your 1080p videos, play back your 1080p videos, which is quite fun. And what you can see here is it has, where's the dark mode, it's called dark theme here on this Lenovo tablet, and we know that dark mode is quite has become quite popular, and it's cool that this tablet actually comes with it. Yeah, the sound is also been quite impeccable, and it's definitely a tablet that I would enjoy. Cool, that's just some funny pics. Anyway, but what I do want to show you is it's preloaded with your Microsoft Office, your Google apps, your Duo, and as well as Kids Space. So if you are looking to buy this for your kids, something I really had fun doodling with is Bamboo, and it does have, so you can click on this and create your own notes. As you can see, this is just me and my family kind of making some fun notes there. And yeah, so you can actually create a new note, for example, on this Bamboo app, and you can choose what you want to do, whether you want to make it a thinker, a maker, or artist, and you can choose kind of what notes you'd like. Something I do want to mention about this tablet, which is super interesting and something nice to note, is that you can actually use a stylus on here. And obviously, if you are using this for productivity or in creative, or even giving it to one of your kids, this is definitely something you'd want to provide or want to purchase, because you'll be able to provide them with a stylus. Yeah, so far I've used the front camera. It's not looking too good for me, the front camera, to be honest. I guess it's a tablet, and you're not gonna want like the most of it. Yeah, this is kind of my setup today, the DJI OM4 and my microphone over here and my Rode Mic Go. But then if you look at the rear camera, it's where things really improve. Here's Plant, and as you can see, I'll move Plant a bit closer, and Plant is, yeah, it's kind of, it takes a little bit long to process the image, but overall it comes to okay. It's gonna do the trick for your Skype and video calls or whatever else you need to use. So if I'm gonna go to the about tablet, sorry, not the languages, just to get some more information, you can see that it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662. It's got a 2000 by 1200 display, a 8 megapixel front camera, a 13 megapixel rear camera, which is cool. It shows you 4 gigs of RAM, which is super powerful and the norm it's sufficient, and it's the norm in 2021 as well as 2020. And then your ROM is 128 gigs, and then you can see that your software version, okay, it's not opening. Oh, there you go, Android 10. Android 10, and yeah, so it comes stock with Android 10, and I'm sure you'll be able to upgrade to Android 11. I'm just not sure by when, but yeah, this is definitely a worthwhile laptop to purchase. I thoroughly enjoy using it, and it's definitely a good to buy. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and comment, or yeah, drop your comments below. Follow me on all my social media handles, and yeah, let's see what this price, what this tablet goes for when it comes out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to click subscribe. Bye.